Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix the problem when the CMF Watch Pro not counting steps. So first of all, just be sure that you wear your CMF watch properly, so tight on your wrist. When you move into the left or the right side, it's not actually swinging around your hand. So like for example with this Apple Watch. Next, just go into the exercises. Pick for example the outdoor walk, and now just take a look on the GPS signal. So as you can see in my case, everything is fine. The GPS is actually activated, so it means that I can correctly track my steps. But if for some reason it doesn't work, I will highly recommend you to perform the hard reset of your watch. So you will have to just scroll down all the way down, go into the settings, scroll again, move into the user guide. Actually not this one, let's do this one more time. You have to go for the system menu, and from this we can perform the reset. And after this, try to connect your watch into your smartphone one more time and tell me if it works. So right now please subscribe and see you in the next one.